Now today it is the 18th of September 2020. It's Mäkikatu 1, Staircase B. And again the name of this residential district.
Loutti.
Loutti. In Järvenpää, Teskenda, Uusimaa, Finland. Loutti 1974 by ValmetSchlieren. Turned 45 years old last year, 2019. And the serial number is BS3613 and it's gonna be inspected in 2022. It's got 6 floors. I think we still have only one elevator left here.
Yeah.
There's the other 1972 one.
Yeah.
We can try it after this before we go further for the other elevators. Yeah. We're pretty lucky to get both of these in this residential building now.
Yeah.
But we also need the other 1972 one with Koneosakyhtiö logo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and everything's still original.
Yeah.
And this orange color was quite a lot in the fashion in the 1970s.
Yeah.
That's why we do have a lot of these ValmetSchlieren, but I'm not sure if I've seen Koni with orange walls.
Yeah.
Maybe, but ValmetSchlieren is more common with these orange walls.
Yeah.
But sort of in the fashion.
Spektaatpaikki vain sitten meidän paikka on.
Or they were like different colors, but orange was quite popular.
Yeah. That's it.